Hello, the Mr. Boom here. Welcome to FX Billionaire Hub, and in this video I'm going to analyze the market fundamentally for next Monday to Friday. That means 27th October to 31st October. Okay, and as per you know that market is moving rapidly with fundamental analysis. That means with fundamental news and fundamental things like wire issues, geopolitical issues, and trade tariff issues. Okay, and that's why fundamental analysis is more important than technical analysis. So you have to keep your concern on fundamental news, analysis, and much more. So in this video I am going to break down all of thing, and as per we are trading on gold, or as per we are trading on XAUUSD, we need to focus our concern, or we need to focus our thing into USD news. Okay, because gold is always connected with USD. Gold price goes up and down with USD news. Okay, there is two kind of news in the market. One of them is positive news, another one is negative news. Okay, for positive news comes with positive data like green 0.5%, green 245k, and another one is negative news that come with negative data like a red 5%, red 245k. And for positive news we will sell gold, for negative news we will buy gold. Okay, and USD positive news, for USD positive news we will sell gold, for USD negative news we will buy gold. You must, Mr. Boom, why for positive news we will sell gold, why for negative news we will buy gold? Okay, let me clear that thing. You have to keep your concern two things, that is gold value is always fixed or constant, and currency value like USD value is changeable, like it's variable. Okay, so for now, suppose one triangle of XAUUSD, that means one triangle of gold is equal to 2500 triangle of USD. Okay, and if news come positive, that means if there is 5% positive data in USD news, that triangle will be 5% bigger than previous one. In that case, USD is bigger than gold. Okay, in that case we will sell gold for the positive news. Okay, and for negative news, if we minus 5% from this triangle, that means from this the reference triangle, minus 5% for negative news, in that case that triangle will 5% negative or 5% smaller than previous one. In that case gold is bigger than USD, that's why we will buy gold. Okay, this is the simplest theory as per I know. And in economic calendar you can see some of USD news. I already took a screenshot over here: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, also Friday. Okay, you can see there. And without economic calendar news, there is some sudden news comes in the market, so you can also keep your concern on that thing, that is in Truth Social, in X or Twitter. Okay, there are a lot of news comes from the Fed authority, or it can become from Donald Trump or United States government authority. So you have to keep a concern on that thing. Also news can come from where? Also news can come from Chinese authority or from the Putin. Okay, so that thing also added a lot of value in the market, so market can be shake anytime for that kind of news. So you have to keep your concern on that kind of news. So you may ask me, Mr. Boom, where we can get all of that news in one place? Okay, that means you want to get all of them in one place. You have FX Billionaire Hub Telegram channel. That means you need to join our Telegram channel, link in the video description box, or you can collect them from separate channels, separate media. But we are always collecting them and posting into our Telegram channel. Not only fundamental analysis, you will also get technical analysis also into our free Telegram channel. So link in the video description box below, so you may join there. Okay, let's get back our analysis. As you consider in economic calendar, I already told you two kind of news can comes around there, and one of them from economic calendar, and another from other resources like Truth Social and X or Twitter. Okay, so you may follow them, or if you want to get them at once or at one place or one channel, you may follow our public Telegram channel. Okay, link in the video description box. And for economic calendar, as you can see there, Monday there is no major or minus USD news, so market can be moved sidewise if there is no geopolitical issues or if there is no other issues. Okay, and in Tuesday we have USD news, that means semi-major news, and manufacturing index. If news come with positive data, as per I said before, we will sell gold. If news come with negative data, we will buy gold. Okay, and for Wednesday we have one USD minor news, same thing will happen there. And for Thursday we have some few major USD news and some few minor news, and also there is a FOMC statement. This is the most important news, so if you have to keep your concern on that news also, so we will update the news, okay, into Telegram. And news, if data come with positive value, we will sell gold. If data come with negative value, we will buy gold. This is the thing. And in Friday we have two USD red news or major news. Same thing will happen there. For positive value we will sell gold, for negative value we will buy gold. Okay, and there is a lot of thing to learn, or there is a lot of thing to know. We are rapidly posting into our Telegram channel, so you may follow our Telegram channel t.me/FX Billionaire Hub, or you can simply search on Google FX Billionaire Hub. You will get all of our channel links, website at once. Okay, and I hope all things clear now. For more query or for free signal, you may join our public Telegram channel t.me/FX Billionaire Hub, and there is a chart why price is rapidly growing up, and this is the fundamental analysis from our experts. And as you can see there is weak United States dollar. That means United States dollar getting weaker day by day. That's why gold is rapidly growing. Another one is high inflation, another one is geopolitical tensions, and another one is low interest rate, another one is central bank buying, and another one is economic uncertainty. Okay, there is the 6 major things why gold is rapidly growing from the long term. So you may take a screenshot to learn more, or you may subscribe our channel to get a lot of video like this. Okay, so that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.